Fractions, Scholarship 3. Number 1. On going to the shops, Bertie spends a quarter of his money at the grocery store. Then he spends a half of the money he has left at the toy shop. Finally, he spends his remaining $9 at the pet shop. How many dollars did he have at the start? Alright, so let's begin at the grocery store. Right, at the grocery store. Okay, he had a quarter, so let's write this down over here. So grocery store, a quarter of the money. Okay, now he goes to the toy shop and he spends a half of the money he has left. So clearly he has 3/4 left because he spent a quarter at the grocery store, and a half of that. Now half of 3/4 is going to be 3/8. So he spent a quarter at the grocery store, so the grocery store plus the toy shop will be equal to 1/4 plus 3/8. Now a quarter is 2/8, so 2/8 plus 3/8 gives me 5/8 altogether. So that's how much he spent at the grocery shop and the toy shop, 5/8 of his money. So clearly he has 3/8 of his money left. But that 3/8 is what remains, and that's equal to $9. So 3/8 of his money is $9. Well, it's 3/8 of his money. So 1/8 of his money must have been, divided 9 by 3, $3. So 1/8 is $3, and it totally would have been 3 times 8, which is $24. Now I'm going to give you another question, a very similar one to this one, for you to have a go at, and then I'll give you the solutions to that one. Right, here it is. Number 2. On going to the shops, Matilda spends 1/5 of her money at the shoe repairer's shop. Then she spends 1/5 of the money she has left at the music store. Finally, she spends her remaining $64 at the bookshop. How many dollars did she have at the start? So it's very similar to the first one, so just have a go at that one, then I'll give you the solutions. Okay, now let's have a look at this. Right, so at the shoe repairer's shop, shoe repairer, that was 1/5 of the money. Then she goes to the music store. Now she'll have 4/5 left remaining, so 1/5 times that will give you 4/25. So she would have had 1/5 plus 4/25 she spent altogether. Now we'll change that 1/5 to 5/25, multiplying numerator and denominator by 5. There we go. And that gives me 9/25. That's how much she spent. So what's remaining is simply go 1 minus 9/25, and that will give me 16/25. So 16/25 of the money must be equal to $64. Now, so 1/25 of the money would be 64 divided by 16. And 64 divided by 16 is 4. So 1/25 of her money is equal to $4. So multiplying the 4 by the 25, her money would have been 4 times 25. She would have started with $100. Okay, and that's those two questions for you.